Today I'll be creating Karwachauth look. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lang and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today I'll be creating this beautiful Karwachauth look. If you want to know how I created this beautiful look, then please watch the video till the end. I've done my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to apply face primer on the eyelid area. Do the same thing on the other side. I'll be applying concealer and taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend it all over the eyelid area. Now using some Maybelline loose powder, I'm going to set the concealer. Today I'll be using Morphe eyeshadow palette and taking the lightest shade from the palette, I'll be applying this above the crease and this is going to be my transition shade. Taking the darker shade, I'm going to apply it on the outer corner area. I'm taking a small blending brush to smoke out the lower lash line. Spray some makeup fixer on a flat brush. This helps in picking up good amount of shimmer. I'll be using Making Bang Shimmer from the Morphe palette and apply it on the eyelid area. I'm using Plum Kajal and applying on the waterline and top lash line area. Taking the darker brown shade in a small blending brush, smoke out the entire lower lash line. Just to add some extra glam, I'm going to use Catch the Light Shimmer from the same palette with my finger and applying on the eyelid. Using a black eyeshadow will make a smoky winged liner. I'm wearing Nikkie falsies from Kingdom of Lashes. Using Tarte mascara for my lower eyelashes. Take some moisturizer on a cotton pad and clean up the fallout. Apply face primer all over the face. This will give smooth base and helps the makeup last longer. Since I have pores on certain areas of my face, today I'll be using Pores Minimizer Primer from Smashbox. You can totally skip this step. I'll be using Tarte Concealer today. Taking a damp beauty sponge will blend out the concealer. I'll be using Milani Cosmetics foundation today in the shade Light Beige 03. Apply the foundation all over the face, and with the help of the beauty blender, we'll blend out the foundation. Taking Sugar Cosmetics translucent powder, I'm going to set the base. Now taking the NYX palette, I'm going to contour on the hollow of my cheekbones, my jawline area and nose, just to add some warmth to my face. I have applied the blusher off camera and I've used Master Blush palette from Maybelline. Highlighting my face using Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in Butterscotch. Using the same highlighter, going to highlight the brow bone and also the inner corner of my eyes. I'm using Sugar Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Rethink Pink 07. Finishing the makeup with some setting spray. I'm using NYX setting spray. This is a newly launched setting spray by NYX. It has small shiny particles that gives extra glow to the face. So here's the complete look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.